Harper. What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
Come on. No, don't eat that. Oh, no.
Hello. Hello.
Babe, have you seen the dog? I haven't seen the... Really?
We're working.
Okay, that's good. That's good. What the? Whoa, here it comes.
Молодец! Умничка! Молодец! Давай. Oh my God, who is that?
Okay, Connor, better. And we want to try. Chip season is perfect.
Is you okay? What happened? Look at the. Oh, look at that.
Are you gonna attack me?
Give me. Drill. Drill. Give me. Good.
Who's there? Come on, who's there?
What's wrong, Tyson? Daddy not playing with you?
Can you come here, please? Stella, come on, you gotta brush your hair. I know you hear me. Come on, let's brush your hair. Oh, you're such a good girl.
Perfectly normal, but then when I make this voice, she's gonna go crazy and try to kiss my face. Oh.
Oh, shit. No, no, no.
No.
Pino. Pino. She doesn't want to play right now.
Caramel.
Con cam thì...
Yes! إذا كيف تاخد شي الكلب ولا بني. Woo! إيك!
Look at some.
Good job, Rigby.
space, please?
All right, Stella, go. Go potty. Go. It's just a little rain. Go potty. Go. Does anyone else's dog make them take them outside holding an umbrella in the rain? You're extremely high maintenance little girl.
Get him! Get him! Get him, Daisy!
Your mom looks like a dog.
Okay, the blood of Jesus. Just leave him alone. Let him have it for a second. That's right. The blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus.
Oh no. Oh no, you're gonna get attacked.
What are you doing? So sucky. What are you doing?
What the? What the fuck?
Tú no le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi misma mano! ¡Con mi misma mano! Pues es que...
Bueno, ¿pasear? ¿Vamos? ¿Vamos a pasear? ¿Vamos?
So France, who was not on the ALCS roster, added to the World Series roster.
I don't want you to hurt me. Please do not.
Huh?
Butts. Stand. 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 Okay, I'm gonna hug mommy.
Stop!
What? What did I do?
Now watch. Like, why? Why does she act like that? She's not.
Почти. Ну, прыгай сам. Прыгай, чё?
She's like, whoa, 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 whoa. Buddy!
Spooky shader. Girl, he is. Oh my God! Hey, get off!
Don't forget, there's still an entire half of football to play. So as much as we say, hey, Montana State, they have to get it going. They have to get the pass game going. This is a team that runs for over 300.
You go sit with Mom.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I want 2, 3.
Okay, keep pushing her. Stop.
Okay, are there any of us? I mean, Quavo, ready? Help. Go. Got it? That's it. Good boy. Hit it. Hit it.
Go.
Stella. Do you not hear me? What the heck was all that for? Okay. You're so talented.
What did you do?
Grandma's using that.
Are you complaining to me about something?
Hang on. Oh. Oh. No, eat that.
Hi! Hi!
1, 2, 3, go!
Her heart just pop, 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 pop.
Oh, so your muscles tense up.
¡Pero si los pies! ¡Mira lo que le hacen los pies!
Get out!
Little bit boy. I love you.
There we go.
Deixa eu tirar foto. Aí. Aí é foto. Então tá. Não quer tirar foto. Não quer.
You are not going to school with me. You need to get in the house. You're not going to school today. Stella, you gotta get in the house. Are you ignoring me? I'm sorry. I wish I could take you to school. Stella. Are you gonna demand this is happening?
Write a book about us.
My Lord, why don't you scare me? She said they might have left. They might have left. Walked out there in the lobby.
I'm gonna do what about it and how I'm gonna do what about it.
Joey.
That should go.
Batman, ¿cómo la llevan, hijo? Pregúntale, gordo.
¿Cómo le llevamos? ¿Bien? Sí, perfecto, mijo.
Dice que sí. Aquí lo está chequeando. A ver, ya se asomó el Batman.
I'm telling you right now, you better be pack your bags. You're out of here. Okay? Don't huff and puff at me.
I'll get it with you. As long as
You like.
Randy kissed Bella. Attempt number 1. Ultimate dodge.
I can eat a dog.
She's acting crazy out here. So she.
do you think? You wanna...
What's going on?
Giant snake. More like a giant baby.
Oh boy. Boy. Boy.
Cuando vuelves a casa después de trabajar, no se aguantan ni a que baje del coche. Es que de verdad, hola. ¡Ay, ay! ¡Que me araña!